Welcome to or welcome back to our channel. I am using Kinky-Curly Knot Today on both sides of my hair. Okay, so I am starting out on freshly cleansed hair. I didn't put any conditioner prior to the Kinky-Curly Knot Today. I'm using that leave-in on both sides. I'm going to be doing the Kinky-Curly Curling Custard on this right side here and the Curly Magic on the left side. So you can squeeze out this excess foam if you want. I think what I'm going to do is squeeze it out. Just run my fingers down like that. And all of them are slimy like this. And I'm just going to apply it to this whole section at first, and then I'll go back and separate. If it has that rough feeling, then you don't have enough product on your hair. I've learned that about this particular product. But when you can glide through your hair like this, with so much slip, you got enough product on your hair. It is a major learning curve with this product for the most part. And just going in there and making sure that it's evenly distributed. I am done applying the gel. This is the Kinky-Curly side. I try to keep it split, so half and half. Uncle Funky side. My hair is dry. This is the Kinky-Curly side. And Uncle Funky's daughter side. I don't know, they feel pretty much the same. It's the end of day 2. This is the, what side is this? Kinky-Curly side. And I'm just like, it has no shape, never mind any of that. I'm just letting it just do what it do. And the Uncle Funky side. Kinky-Curly feels a little bit more, well, has a little bit more hold. Both sides is very moisturized and soft. Day 3 hair. This is the Kinky-Curly side. And again, I'm just letting it just do whatever it do. And this is the Uncle Funky side. See a little residue on the Kinky-Curly side. I don't know if y'all can see that. And I have a little bit on the Uncle Funky's, and I believe it's from the Knot Today. I think my Uncle Funky side is feeling a little bit more moisturized. Kinky-Curly side. Uncle Funky's side. My hair will last much longer with Uncle Funky's daughter and my Reagan's Sanaa leave-in conditioner. So let me know which side you think won, and make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.